Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, my dear internet friends. In the world of tabletop tripods, there are so many different options to choose from. The newer mini tripod we have today is somewhere in between heavy duty and lightweight options available in the market today. Neewer sent me this product in exchange for a review. No money changed hands and Neewer did not get to watch this video before it was published. All opinions are mine and mine alone after using this product for a couple of weeks as I would use any other mini tripods. Now let's jump into this review. Here are a list of things I like about this product. When it comes to payload, this mini tripod is stable enough for payloads up to 3 kgs for the ball head. Well, if we talk about the payload for the 3-leg stand, it could even be more than 3 kgs. I can even mount my almost 2 kg combination of 70 to 200mm F2.8 GM version 2 with the Sony A7CR on the mini tripod. I also like the adjustable heights and paddings. The 3 tripod legs are adjustable at different angles and heights. It can easily be secured with flip locks. The rubber surfaces provide secure grip on smooth surfaces. The non-slip soft pads help reduce camera shake and arm strains for extended use. I also kinda like the ball head. The 360-degree ball head allows for easy vertical shots. The locking knob can be rotated to fasten your device at any desired angles. This is something I actually like. I also like the compactness of this mini tripod. With its folded length of 18 centimeters and weighing just over a quarter of a kilo, it easily fits in your pocket and can be carried with ease, making it perfect for outdoors or filming on the go. Universal mount. The mounting screw is also universal that can be connected to cameras, phones, video lights, and microphones. It can also be an additional handle for your cage. The detachable ball head also comes with a 1/4-inch thread hole for use with monopods and more. So who is it for? If you're in the market for a mini tripod to carry around or just to use it as a tabletop stand, the Neewer TP29 all-metal tripod is a very good option. For its weight, it is surprisingly sturdy, but it does have some design drawbacks, and let's talk about them. So what to look out for when you purchase this mini tripod? There are 2 parts to this tripod: the mini ball head and the 3-leg mini stand. The ball head and mini stand has this rubber cushion which in my experience could come off over time. There are better ball heads in the market with more options, but for lightweight options, I think this ball head serves the purpose. The 3-leg mini stand is comfortable to hold with its rubber padding, but I can't talk about its longevity yet, as I have only been using it for a couple of weeks now. You need to be really careful balancing the camera while changing from landscape to portrait orientation. If it is not balanced well, the entire setup might topple and fall. The ball head sometimes twists when tightened, changing the angle of the camera placement, which might change the balance of the setup. With all that said, I think this mini tripod is really a bang for buck product. You get what you pay for, and with this tripod you get a bit more metal and rubber. At first, a 1/4 of a kilo sounded ridiculously heavy for a mini tripod, but for the payload it can carry, the weight certainly is justified. Do I recommend this product? Actually, I do. The price is very attractive, and for this price, it is hard to find another mini tripod that can handle this weight. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Peace.